Today we're gonna go over example anterior posterior sessions for all of you drones, bro, because I'm telling you, dude, this split is an industry plant, bro, planted by Mundysod, the Mundysod Hypertrophy Optics division of the IDF. Everything's gonna be one set per exercise, and no, you do not need to have an A session and a B session. It's better if you just repeat the same thing twice a week. It's better to do this 6 times a week or every single day so that you're able to get 3 times or 3.5 times a week frequency. Off with the anterior there, we got a recline curl, one of the best exercises for the biceps. You can do that at pretty much any gym. Then a top half range of motion cuffed reverse curl to bias the brachioradialis. Then we have a chest fly, trains all 3 divisions of the chest, but primarily biases the middle region of the chest. Not the flipping, when I say middle, they think it's flipping inner. No, middle. Unilateral for more recruitment. Then we have a narrow grip Smith machine incline press. The most important thing is the narrow grip because you want to have a tucked arm path to bias the upper pecs. Then a top half range of motion overhead press. This is going to bias the front delts. Then a lateral raise machine, obviously for the middle delts. Then a leg extension to train all regions of the quads. For our posterior day, starting off with a triceps push down, trains all of the regions of the triceps, but it's going to more bias the long head. Then we have the abduction machine. This is going to be good for biasing the upper glute max. Then a seated leg curl trains all regions of the hamstring. It's going to more bias the 2 joint muscles though. Then a bottom half range of motion calf press, great for biasing the gastrocnemius. Then a Kelso shrug, of course, the trinity of back training, bro. Kelso shrugs, chest supported lat row, and a wide grip lat pull down, ending it off with a hip thrust, great for biasing the lower region of the glute max, and it's also going to have some adductor magnus as well. Now remember, this is just an example session. What you do will depend on your goals, and also the ordering too will depend on your goals. You'd want to have priorities first. I kind of just ordered this in terms of more cardiovascularly demanding exercises more towards the end.